is Shyam here. Today we are going to Melukote and Mysore temple, which is around 160 kilometers from our house. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning. We are taking route like Namma Bengaluru to Hassan highway. From there we are taking diversion towards Melukote because Mysore road is little congested, and according to Google Maps that takes around 30 minutes more than this route. So we are preferring this route, and most probably if we get time we are covering Srirangapatna as well. So coming to Melukote, it's a temple, Chelvanarayana Swami temple, which is around thousands of years old, and it has many beautiful sculptures, and the temple is very old, and it is at the hilltop. We have to climb few stairs, and yeah, let's see the beauty of the temple in few hours. Let's start. We reached Nelamangala now. From Tumkur highway we need to divert towards Hassan. We just finished our breakfast in Hotel Dhruvatare. Now we reached Nelligere Circle. We have to divert towards Chamrajnagar Road. This road is really good. You can enjoy the view of lakes here and there. If you are traveling to Mysore, you can actually take this route. Even though this is 40 kilometers extra, the road is good and there is no much traffic over here. This place is Jakkanahalli. We actually have to divert from this highway towards Melukote in this place. We are entering Melukote now. They had dug up roads.
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು. Straight.
There were many left diversions. We got confused. Maybe because of the road construction, they had removed the signages.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ರೋಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಫುಲ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹತ್ತಲೇಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮು ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ? 360. Now we reached here around 11:15. There is no proper parking kind of thing. You can park anywhere where you get placed. You can see this is where the stairs start towards the Yoga Narasimha Swami temple at the peak, and I'll show you in a while. This is Chelvanarayan Swami temple, and this is Yoga Narasimha Swami temple. Yeah, we are starting now. You can see this kind of structures here and there. See, you can again see that Gopuram structure here also. Every few steps you can see this.
So we climbed 360 stairs now. We reached the top. We are going to have darshan now.
I think you can see a wonderful pond that is called a Pushkarini. This is the view from the top. It's wonderful. You have to feel this. You can see that road, that is where from we came.
We came down from the temple. Let's explore.
This is the Pushkarini. You can see how big is this. People are enjoying here. We have spent almost 2 hours in this place, and you can see in the background there is a wonderful Pushkarini, which is a big pond over here, and temple at the peak, and you will moreover you'll get a fresh air to breathe, which is if you are out of Bangalore and feeling a fresh breathe over here. We didn't feel that we spent 2 hours in this place, and it is really wonderful. You have to visit this place, and along with the family, and it's a very beautiful.
This is how we spent our time in Melukote. Be tuned. There will be another video coming up with the places around Melukote and few places in Mysore. If you like this video, please do share with your friends and family. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching Plan Travel Explore.